Hey guys, welcome back to Brewing with Ty. So I've had a lot of people message me over the last few weeks asking me, how do you keep track of what you do? Do you have a recipe book? What's your recipe book look like? Well, sad thing is, I do have a recipe book. And it's not a sad thing, it's a blessing. And I'll show you why. So this is my recipe book. Called The Taste is Right Brewing. That's what we started off with. This is what cloud I'm under. I created that probably three years ago now. So this is the inside of my brewing book. What we just did was the real apple cider. So I have it set up so I have the ciders, wine, mead, and beer. Just extra papers. So this is the real apple cider. Instructions there. This is the down home cider that I have here. Not too many instructions to go by that. We'll go to the wine. This is the fine wine that's working its way up now. All the ingredients for that. Backwoods wine, which you just seen that video. Not too many to go there. The mead that I have not done yet, but I did get this recipe. This is Viking blood mead, so I really want to try that out. Ingredients, everything else, all of my beers, the beer in hand. I got the EMT Light, Redbeard's Revenge, Redemption, Monkey Wrench, which that's a good Oktoberfest beer. And then back here is just different papers. So yes, I have my very own book. I keep notes big time. I actually just got done writing up the notes for the real apple cider that you guys just got done watching, hopefully. But yeah, always have something going. Always have something to go back on. Notes are always your friend. So as for me, I'll show you this real quick. This is the little fermentation center that I have in the rental. So we're cooking with gas right now. So that's the fine wine, real apple cider, and this one is the the backwoods wine. So, but as always, stay at the ready. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay thirsty.